Hello my sugar pies, welcome to a new video, and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let's get into the video. So for this video you need obviously your braids, and as for me, I'm using this darling braids. You can use any type of braids of your choice. You don't have to use darling. I'm just using darling Lula braids. And then you obviously need a gel. You need gel for this hairstyle. You can choose any gel of your liking. And then you need rubber bands. You can get the black rubber bands. I believe that they do work so well. And then I've already done my frontal part, like the front side. I've already done it. I'm just going to show you guys at the back. So what you're going to do, since working on the back, it's so hard because you're not seeing what you're doing. So you're just gonna need to make sure you comb your hair thoroughly. Make sure your hair is thoroughly combed, and then you're just gonna like draw one line. Use your fingers as guide. As for me, I always use my fingers as a guide, like to take me across. As you can see there, my line was not straight. It was not straight. I'm only seeing it now. It was not straight, but you know what, it's something that you're doing for yourself, so don't judge yourself too much. So once you cut a line like that, you're just gonna like get your other hair out of the way. Make sure like you hold it down with a scrunch or pins, whatever that you have. Just hold the other hair down so that it doesn't disturb you. And then you're just gonna cut. As for me, since I'm doing big box braids, so I'm just gonna do like only 3 lines at the back. You can do any size that you want. For me, I'm just doing the bigger one because it's much better for me. And then you're going to apply your gel. That's when the gel comes in. You take your gel and then you apply all corners, like all the corners of that piece of hair that you cut, like that. As you can see, gel is well applied. So I'm gonna take my rubber band and I'm gonna tie this down. I'm just gonna go like, I think 7. I think this one I went a little bit overboard with it, but you can do like 1 2 3 4 up to 7 7 6, it's enough, or 8, it's enough. So once you are done like tying your hair with a rubber band, make sure like you pull it down just like the way I'm doing here, but do not over pull. I'm telling you, if you do over pull, it's going to give you trouble. You won't be able to sleep, child. So just make sure you are not over pulling your hair. That's what I'm trying to say. So all my 3 heads done like that. The bigger the better, right? So we are done. And then what we're gonna do, like I've done my all head. This thing is so easy. It doesn't take time. If you have someone who can do it for you, then that's well and good. If you don't, it's very easy. Like it's very easy. And then you're gonna take your hair. My hair is already moisturized. I've mixed Lula braids and Moja braids, and I have applied conditioner. Now it's time to braid our hair. So what you're gonna do over here, just follow what I'm doing. You take your hairpiece and then wrap the other side around like that, like you're tying a knot. Is it a knot? Anyways, you just follow around, just follow what I'm doing. You tie like that, and then when it's all secured, just one round when it's all secured, and then you're gonna take your braid and start braiding it like that. Since my hair, I was doing such a big sections, I'm just gonna like braid until I see like my hair it's almost coming to an end. That's when I'm gonna borrow braids from this side and this side. Just follow along. If you know how to braid, you know how this works. If you don't, just watch and follow along. Anyways, you guys, please do subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I do more hair content, I do makeup, I do lifestyle vlogs, I do reviews. We do all things beauty in this channel. So make sure you do subscribe if you're watching this far, and turn that post notification bell on so that whenever I upload a video, you don't miss a video from me. So you're just gonna like braid your hair. You're gonna keep braiding, and then you can turn it around and do the other side. You know, this braids, everyone has their different style. Just do anything that you're comfortable with. As for me, this is my comfort zone. This is, when it comes to braiding, this is my comfort zone. So as you can see, we are done all all the way down. The braid is done. And then I'm just gonna show you again, you guys, in the front part, so that if you didn't get the first one, you can get this one. You take your hair like that, take your braid, wrap it around, hold it down, and then take this other hair piece, wrap it around one time only. Since you already secured your hair with gel, you have rubber bands, so your hair is quite secured. So you just do that, and then you start braiding just like that. It's as simple as A, B, C, D. It's not hard. If you're a person who knows how to braid, this shouldn't be hard for you. So you just keep on going, and then you go and go. When you see your hair it's a little bit thin, you just borrow braids from this other side, like just like the way I'm doing here. I'm borrowing braids from this side, and then I'm gonna braid and braid and braid, and then I'm borrowing again from the other side that I did not borrow, and then just like it, voila, you just braid all the way down until you're done. It's that easy, my loves. It's very easy. So there we are finishing the last piece of our braids. I had 31 hair, so it was not so hard for me to do. And since I secured my hair with gel and rubber band, it was just so easy. This style took me like, I think, few hours for me to do this, 2 or 3 hours for me to do this. And here is the final look, my darlings. Here is the final look. We are done. We are looking good. There we are. Some are big, some are small, but you know what, it's not bad. It's not bad, right, you guys? Let me know in the comment section. It's not that bad, right? Here we are, the front part. These baby hairs, these are not baby hairs, you guys. These, I don't know, they're adult hairs. They are not baby hairs. This brings us to the end of this video, sugar pies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video was helpful. I hope this video was educational. I hope you try this hairstyle. If you do try, please leave me a comment in the comment section. If you do, if you are on Instagram, please tag me on my Instagram here so I can see how you did. I think I was too excited to do the baby hairs. I left too much hair, but anyways, I'm so happy with the outcome. I love everything. I think braids, they look good on everyone. You just need to discover which ones look good on you. It's either knotless, it's either big boss braids, medium, small. You just need to discover which ones look good on you. And thank you guys for watching this video until now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, ciao.